lots of things. If I think about a couple of the key issues in the aerospace industry right now, I think about workforce and the need for engineers. Such a significant lack of engineers. I've seen studies that say by 1 in 5 positions in aerospace will be unfilled in the aerospace industry. I've seen other studies that say 1 in 3 engineering positions in all industries in the US will be unfilled. It's just a total dearth of engineers. We're not producing enough engineers. Engineers are retiring, and we really need to find other ways to multiply the impact of the staff we have. So we can certainly talk about that. That's workforce issues. We can talk about complexity and how software-defined vehicles, aircraft, automobiles, all sorts of things are just proliferating, and how we just need better ways to design and test and use these things. But it's just our technology is advancing faster than we as human beings can really make good use of it.
I agree with Todd, and also in addition to us facing an unprecedented, say, talent shortage in the industry, there's also the explosion of data across the board, right? So if you just look at the aerospace industry alone, the number of simulations that were run before a particular system went into production or went into commission over the last decade has at least increased tenfold, if not hundredfold. And the amount of data that is getting generated in all of these processes at best gets used once before the design process and then forget about it and move on until there is an event, and then you have to go figure out what's the root cause of the event. Imagine that data explosion continuing to increase even at the same rate, if not a faster rate, and compound that with the scarcity of resources. You are setting this up for a perfect storm where there's massive amounts of data available, but then it's not really being transformed into information or value. And that's value that's left untapped, not only by companies, but by pretty much all practitioners around the world. And the latest crop of AI, which we'll talk about today, which is generative AI, allows us to merge existing practices with a stream of unstructured information that is coming at us in a way that we can actually extract more value than we are used to extract. It's the confluence of technology moving very fast, but also being able to adapt technologies from other industries very quickly into the aerospace world, and then mix that with a deeply data-centric and data-driven world that the aerospace industry is already. So that's really what I'm most hopeful about.
Thank you for watching. To learn more about this topic, check out the links in the description. And if you enjoyed what you saw, like the video and subscribe to the channel.